The extreme heat is making even simple tasks outside unbearable for many. But for those who can head home to air conditioning, it's a much needed relief.
But as Jaso Bardo tells us, tenants at a Lexington apartment complex say they've been working without working AC for days. And they've met with multiple dead ends in an effort to get the issue fixed. That's our top story at 10.
Since Saturday, Jason Marcus says living in his apartment has been nothing short of uncomfortable for him and his roommate.
I'm actually dripping in sweat.
As temperatures rise outside, the same has been happening inside at his home in Midtown Apartments off Virginia Avenue.
We heard like a loud banging noise coming from the AC, so we had shut it off. We had to call the 24-hour maintenance line. When we had rang, somebody answered within like 3 rings. Somebody was over within 15 minutes.
He says the maintenance crew told him a part of the AC unit broke and needed to be reordered and that it was still okay to run. But his second-floor apartment became increasingly hotter and more humid. He created a work order on Sunday, and by Monday he got an email saying it had been completed.
When my roommate had come home, at that point the unit was about 77 to 78 degrees and the AC had completely shut off and had stopped running. You can feel right here, there's nothing coming out of here.
Marcus found out that other tenants are having the same issue, and while he says the leasing office for his apartment complex has been very accommodating, he can't say the same about Anderson Communities, the property's management company. Marcus says he was able to make contact with them in the beginning and was told that a third-party company was handling the issue.
They said there were no window units when we tried to request them. When we asked for other remedies, it was kind of just like, we can't help you. There's nothing we can do.
But now it's basically been a one-sided game of phone tag.
When I'm trying to call, I'm just put on hold. And usually nobody ever answers, or I'm just kind of met with a blockade of trying to get help because I can't sleep and live in my own apartment.
He and his roommate have been running fans and even a dehumidifier to make the living conditions a little more bearable. Because of that, he hopes there will be some sort of grace when it comes time to pay his next electric bill. In Lexington, Jaso Bardo, Fox 56 News.
We reached out to Midtown Apartments for comment, which responded with a statement from Anderson Communities. It says in part, the company is aware of the issue and has technicians working overtime to respond to all HVAC work. If it's unable to provide an immediate repair, the company vows to install window air conditioning units as a temporary solution.